In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax rates in Xero. We'll walk through where to find your tax settings, how to add a new rate, and a few practical tips to make sure your setup is accurate and easy to use. I'll keep it clear and straightforward so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. First, head to the tax area in Xero. This is where your organization's sales and purchase tax settings live. It's the central place for managing rates you'll apply to invoices, bills, and items. If you work across regions, make sure you're in the correct organization before you proceed, because tax rules can vary widely. Next, open Tax Settings. Think of this page as your control panel for how tax behaves in your account. From here, you can review what's already set up and decide whether a new, customized rate is needed. If you're unsure what your local rules require, it's always a good idea to confirm with your accountant or check your tax authority's guidance so your rates match what you need to file. Now, choose Manual Tax Rates. This section is designed for creating your own rates, which is especially helpful if your jurisdiction doesn't offer automatic updates or if you need a special rate for a product category, location, or exemption. Creating it manually gives you precise control over the name, type, and percentage. Select the option to add a new tax rate. This opens a form where you'll define how the rate appears and functions. You're not changing any existing rates here, just adding a new one that will sit alongside the defaults. Enter a clear tax rate display name. Pick something that people on your team will instantly recognize, like state sales tax 8.25% or zero rated sales. Consistent naming makes it much easier to choose the correct rate on invoices and bills and reduces posting errors. Next, select the appropriate tax type from the dropdown. Choose the type that matches how this tax should be reported in your region. The right selection ensures your transactions land in the correct buckets on your tax reports, which is essential for accurate filings. Then enter the tax rate percentage. Type the rate as a number, such as 8.25 for 8.25%. Double check the value for accuracy. A small typo here can create big reconciliation issues later. Finally, click Save. Your new rate is now available when you create invoices, bills, and expense claims. If you ever need to tweak the name or percentage, return to Manual Tax Rates to edit. That's it. Your tax rate is set up and ready to use.